Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is TOOLIOM 200A MIG Welder. It's a nice little welder. There are fine adjustments that fine-tune the machine. This awesome welding machine is compact, portable and lightweight. It's perfect for beginners and easy to use and learn. This welding machine was quite simple to set up as long as you follow the instructions. It was not heavy, but it got the job done. It has clear and vibrant digital display. This machine equipped with heavy-duty cooling fan to help heat dissipation. Inner comes with automatic thermal overload protection. Synergic adjustment function that is software control. Current and voltage values are intelligent automated matched voltage value not displayed, more easier for entry-level welders. Multi-functions in one machine, suitable for MMA, lift TIG, flux MIG, gas MIG. Our second best MIG welder under $500 is Display 4 Top Portable MIG Welder. This is a great home welder, especially at this low price. The welding shield that is included is a bit cheesy, so I would recommend a better quality shield. This welder is 110 volts, so plugs right into household outlets. This welder worked great right out of the box with the supplied flux core wire. Display 4 Top MIG 130 welder machine uses convenient flux cord wire. Automatic thermal safety protection, suit for welding carbon steel, aluminum, stainless steel etc. Compact and exquisite MIG welder, made of heavy-duty stainless steel body, painted with durable red paints, ensure its long-last serving lifespan, a strong and durable welding machine for your long-term use. MIG 130 Plus welder come with a safety feature where the welder is automatically turned off when it is too hot or the volt and current exceed their range. This function will keep you and your welder safe. Internal fan cooling system, there are fans helping to cooling the welder when working. Portable design, lightweight, easy for translation and storage. Comes with a comfortable hand grip, making it easy for you to carry anywhere you want. It is perfect for home DIY and general repairing work. Third pick in our list is SUNGOLDPOWER MIG Welder. This is a very impressive unit for the price. It has the advantage that due to its lightweight it can be easily transported and the use of the wire coil is more economical than the use of rods. This is an absolutely great machine for both the beginner and experienced welder alike. Wire feed variability works well. Gas output works well. Great smooth welder. Suitable for stainless steel, mild steel, iron, carbon steel and other metal materials. The MIG 140 is a new inverter-based portable MIG welding machine. The MIG function allows you to weld with both gasless applications. Easy stepless adjustment of voltage and wire feed mask for easy setting of welding parameters giving excellent welding results. Wire inch gives easy feeding of the wire during setup without gas wastage and the burn back adjustment leaves the wire out ready for the next weld. Number 4 in our side is Forney Easy Weld 261. This is the best MIG unit you've ever had. It is easy to carry and makes great welds. Used some very expensive welders which made it easy. The welder is easy to set up. You can go from the box to your first bead in about 5 minutes. Easy to use, 140 FCI MIG machine uses 0.30 flux core wire. It has infinite voltage and wire feed speed control so you can dial in the perfect weld. Perfect entry-level welder. Up to 140 amp output that allows you to weld mild steel up to 1/4 in plate. Lightweight 19 pounds easily carried to any do-it-yourself, maintenance, repair, metal fabrication and hobbyist project. All metal case, built to take the day-to-day. Big enough to handle 2 and 10-pound rolls of wire. This Forney Easy Weld 140 FCI machine is easy to use with the 0.30 and flux core wire. It can do 0.035 wire but we do not recommend it because it reduces the duty cycle of the machine. It has infinite voltage and wire feed speed control so you can dial in the perfect weld. Perfect entry-level welder. Let's watch more.
Here we have our Forney Easy Weld 140 FCI. FCI stands for Flux Cord Inverter. Let's open it up and show you what's inside. This basic flux cord inverter welding machine does not require gas. Some people may call it a MIG machine, but it is more correctly called a wire feed welder because gas cannot be added to this machine. Instead, you must use a flux cord wire for your filler metal. It comes with a quick start guide, owner's manual, Forney Industries contact information, a 15 to 20 amp plug adapter, a ground clamp, torch, and an extra contact tip. The 140 FCI uses up to 030 flux cord wire. With flux cord wire, the flux is built into the wire and provides the shielding needed over the molten weld puddle. This machine can easily accept and drive a 10-pound spool of wire. The left knob is to adjust your voltage, and the right knob is for your wire feed speed. Remember to wear the proper personal protective gear, non-flammable clothing like cotton or denim, safety glasses, a welding helmet, welding gloves, and an FR jacket. The 140 FCI is a great machine for do-it-yourselfers, maintenance and repair, metal fabrication, and hobbyists, and it comes with a 6-month.
Number 5 in our top 5 best budget MIG welder list is HITBOX MIG Welder. This is a great little welder. Haven't ran it using 220, but on 110 it's great. This HBM 1200 is 110 volts / 220 volts dual voltage MIG welder with lift TIG function, ARC. The panel of HITBOX 3-in-1 welder is very simple, which make it much more easier to operate. This MIG welder's 110-220 volts has adjustable wire feed speed and power settings. You can adjust it to suit your application. Its arc is smooth that bring you a decent job. Please kindly note that the earth clamp and MIG torch are undetachable. HITBOX HBM 1200 welder machine has a rated beauty cycle of 40% at 120 amps. With this feature, this MIG 120 will protect you and your welder from any long-lasting damage. It may be irritating when the welder switches itself off, but then you can ensure that this MIG welder will last a longer time. HITBOX MIG welder come with a safety feature where the welder is automatically turned off when it is too hot or the voltage and current exceed their range. This flux core welder will keep you and your welder safe. There are fans helping to cooling the welder when working. For details, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.